parang si ano,
Hi.
sa radio.
Tita Rams. Tita Marie, hi.
Si Nicole Diala dati.
Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Dunkin. We're here at
Dunkin.
Dunkin.
Ano order natin?
Actually, we just came from a dinner that was sponsored by our good friend Tita Jenny.
Shout out.
Shout out
Shout
to Tita Jenny
out.
and to our good friend also, paring Ruben Oliva. Thank you. Eto kami ngayon sa Dunkin Donuts. We're just having fun. Tita Rams, anong story mo?
Ikaw, anong storya mo?
Ay, okay naman. Halika pag-usapan natin.
Now na.
Now na. Ikaw pare, would you like to share something? Ako pa talaga. Mali mo, di ba? Gusto mo sabihin?
Ano masasabi niyo sa Dunkin Donut ng hot choco?
Wow.
Tikman natin.
Malinit. Wala na naman.
Ibig sabihin, masarap.
Mali yung pwede yung umpisa natin.
So, ano man nasasabi niyo sa mga donut naman na nakain natin? Wala na. Ubus na.
Ano masasabi ko sa coffee doon?
Masarap. Malamig. Kasi
Anong,
may
ano yan? Anong flavor yan? Wala na din.
Iced coffee. Ano to, mula noon hanggang ngayon. Hanggang
At what time na ba?
It's 1 o'clock.
Hi!
Bye.
Hi, followers!
Wala ka pa eh. Come and get us. Maybe this will be the start of the new beginning.
Yes, I love it.
We must stay positive and hopefully marami tayong makuha ng mga audiences na willing makinig sa aming storya ng buhay-buhay.
Pero before that, dapat bumati mo na. Good morning ba
Ay,
tayo? Good evening?
Yes.
O ano?
Good morning to everyone.
Yeah, good morning. Daddy, good morning. Ang pogi-pogi ng asawa ko.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Sabi niya. Ito nga yata yung umpisa, no? No.
Oh, di ba?
Hindi kasi talaga, galing naman kami talaga sa dinner. And one of my good friend came to the restaurant and share a few stories about businesses, about life,
In
in which we are, especially you, Tita Rams.
Yes,
Pakita mo yung mukha mo, Tita Rams.
especially
you.
Yeah,
I hope that he inspired you to do something.
yeah, I want to have a business na rin. Sawa-sawa lang ako sa work ko. I'm sick.